I'm here to help you become an Excel wizard. And today we have 5 awesome videos for you. So let's get started. Our first free tutorial is titled Master Microsoft Excel, from Novice to Data Wizard in 60 minutes. This tutorial is designed to help you learn the basics of Excel quickly so that you can start analyzing your data right away. The course covers everything from the basics, like entering data and using simple formulas, to more advanced techniques, like creating charts and graphs and performing data analysis. Even if you've never used Excel before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use it like a pro. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to access this tutorial now. Next up, we have Unlock Excel's Secrets, a step-by-step journey from basics to advanced techniques. This course takes you on a step-by-step journey through the world of Excel, starting with the basics and gradually building up to more advanced techniques. You'll learn how to work with different types of data, create formulas, and use functions, format your cells, create charts, and much more. The best part is that this tutorial is completely free. So click the link in the description below and start learning today. Our third free tutorial is Transform Your Spreadsheets, Essential Excel Tips and Tricks You Can't Miss. This tutorial is packed with over 100 tips and tricks that will transform the way you use Excel. You'll learn how to make your life easier and save time by using Excel more efficiently. For example, you'll learn how to use keyboard shortcuts to navigate around Excel, how to create complex formulas with ease, and how to create professional-looking charts and graphs. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more tips and tricks to discover. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and take your Excel skills to the next level today. If you want to master Excel, you need to understand formulas and functions. Our fourth free tutorial is Excel Mastery Unleashed. Navigate formulas and functions like a pro. This tutorial will teach you everything you need to know about formulas and functions in Excel. You'll learn how to create basic formulas, use different types of functions, and reference other cells in your spreadsheet. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot your formulas and functions so you can quickly fix any errors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use formulas and functions like a pro. So click the link in the description below and start learning today. Finally, we have the complete guide to Excel, from simple formulas to complex data analysis. This tutorial is the ultimate resource for anyone who wants to learn Excel. It covers everything from the basics like entering data and creating formulas to more advanced techniques like data analysis and creating pivot tables. You'll learn how to use Excel's powerful features to analyze your data and make better decisions. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or anything in between, this tutorial will teach you everything you need to know about Excel. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and start learning today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Hope you've enjoyed these free tutorials, and we look forward to helping you on your Excel learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.